This is my video reporting about my virtual idol, the cheerless Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was an incredible woman she was. I chose her as my virtual idol because she dedicated her life to help the poor and the sick, and her selfless acts of kindness have inspired millions of people around the world. She was widely regarded as a virtuous person due to her remarkable qualities and actions. And here are some virtues she possessed. The first one is compassion. Mother Teresa demonstrated immense compassion towards the poor, sick, and marginalized individuals. She dedicated her life to serving the most vulnerable members of society, providing them with love, care, and support. The proof of actions that Mother Teresa established was the Missionaries of Charity, a religious congregation that focused on helping the dispute and dying. She personally attended to the needs of sick, abandoned, and dying individuals in the streets of Kolkata in India. Her selfless acts on compassion touched the lives of countless people. The second one is the selflessness. Mother Teresa exemplified selflessness in her actions. She put the needs of others before her own and worked tirelessly to alleviate the suffering of those who need. Her proof of actions is Mother Teresa lived a life of simplicity and humility, choosing to live among the poor and embracing the lifestyle of poverty. She dedicated her entire life to serving others without seeking personal gain or recognition. The third one is dedication. Mother Teresa displayed unwavering dedication to her mission of helping the poor and marginalized. Despite facing numerous challenges and obstacles, she remained committed to her cause. The proof of her actions for that is Mother Teresa expanded her charitable work beyond Kolkata, establishing missions and centers around the world. She tirelessly advocates for the rights and well-being of the underprivileged, using her platform to arise awareness and inspire others to join her cause. So, in conclusion, Mother Teresa's virtues of compassion, selflessness, and dedication are evident through her actions and the impact she had on the lives of countless individuals. Her unwavering commitment to serving the poor and marginalized makes her truly a virtuous person.